Good morning, and thank you for joining me for our 2-minute Motivational Mindset Monday. I am a huge believer in affirmations. They are highly effective at changing your mind, changing your mood, changing your attitude, and how you treat others. Today, I want to talk to you about compassion. I am compassionate. And that usually refers to being compassionate with others. And we tend to give that freely. Now, a lot of people confuse compassion with empathy. Empathy is actually understanding and feeling and walking in another person's shoes. Compassion goes a step further and actually does something about it. For example, if you love animals and you want to do something because you're so compassionate about the stray dogs or shelter dogs, so you actually adopt a dog, or you are a foster caregiver to dogs that are looking for new homes. That's actually compassion. Compassion, even in the Bible, is more about action and doing something. Jesus healing the blind man, that was his compassion for others. So today I want you to think about being compassionate to yourself and showing yourself compassion. Move in consciousness throughout your day. Everything you do, you need to be more aware of how it's affecting yourself, your body, your mind, your thoughts. You need to take care of your thinking and everything that you put into your body, and how you're taking care of it physically. Are you strengthening it? You need to exercise, move it. The body loves movement. That is actually showing yourself compassion and being compassionate about yourself. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.